Homeowners in Gilbert are always looking for ways to make their properties more comfortable, attractive, and energy efficient. But beyond comfort and curb appeal, one of the most compelling reasons to invest in replacement windows is the positive impact they have on the environment. By upgrading to modern, eco-friendly windows, Gilbert residents can significantly reduce their carbon footprint, conserve energy, and contribute to a healthier planet, all while enjoying long-term savings. Lower energy consumption in hot summers. Gilbert is known for its intense summer heat, with temperatures that regularly soar into the triple digits. In such conditions, air conditioners often run around the clock, consuming large amounts of electricity. Older windows with single panes or poor seals allow cool indoor air to escape and let hot air seep in. This forces HVAC systems to work harder, leading to higher energy use. Modern replacement windows are designed with double or triple panes, advanced low emissivity, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features help block out heat, reduce solar gain, and keep your indoor environment more stable. The result? Air conditioners run more efficiently, reducing overall energy consumption. By using less electricity, homeowners also lower the demand on local power plants, cutting greenhouse gas emissions in the process. Reduced carbon footprint. Energy efficiency directly translates into a smaller carbon footprint. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, has long highlighted the link between home energy use and carbon emissions. Every kilowatt-hour saved means fewer fossil fuels burned to power homes in Gilbert. By replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient models, residents can prevent hundreds of pounds of carbon dioxide from entering the atmosphere each year. Over the lifetime of the windows, that reduction adds up significantly, making this upgrade one of the simplest ways for homeowners to do their part in combating climate change. Improved indoor air quality and health. Replacement windows don't just save energy, they also contribute to better indoor air quality. Poorly sealed or aging windows often let in dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants. In a city like Gilbert, where dust storms can sweep through during monsoon season, this infiltration can be especially problematic. Modern window designs improve insulation and minimize leaks, keeping indoor air cleaner. With fewer airborne irritants making their way inside, households may notice improved respiratory health and reduced allergy symptoms. While this is a direct benefit for homeowners, it also ties into environmental wellness by fostering healthier, more sustainable living conditions. Supporting sustainable materials. Another often overlooked benefit of replacement windows is the role of sustainable manufacturing. Many window companies today use eco-friendly materials such as recycled glass, vinyl, or sustainably sourced wood. Some even implement closed-loop recycling systems, where old windows are reclaimed and repurposed into new products. By choosing window manufacturers committed to sustainability, Gilbert homeowners support green supply chains and help reduce industrial waste. This conscious decision goes beyond energy savings, extending environmental responsibility into the production process itself. Water conservation. Through efficiency. In the desert climate of Gilbert, water is an especially precious resource. Few homeowners realize that energy savings from replacement windows can indirectly support water conservation. That's because power plants use significant amounts of water for cooling when generating electricity. By reducing electricity demand through energy-efficient windows, homeowners also lessen water use at the utility level. This connection between windows and water savings adds yet another dimension to their environmental value. Long-term sustainability. Perhaps one of the most compelling aspects of replacement windows is their durability. Modern materials like fiberglass, composite frames, and treated wood are designed to last for decades without frequent repairs or replacements. This longevity reduces waste by keeping materials out of landfills and minimizing the need for new resources. When combined with proper installation and maintenance, replacement windows offer Gilbert homeowners a sustainable solution that benefits the environment for many years to come. Final thoughts. For Gilbert residents, installing replacement windows isn't just about upgrading aesthetics or lowering utility bills. It's about making a meaningful commitment to sustainability. From reducing energy use and carbon emissions to improving indoor air quality and supporting eco-friendly materials, the environmental benefits are wide-ranging. By choosing energy-efficient replacement windows, homeowners can enjoy a more comfortable home while playing an active role in protecting the planet. In a fast-growing community like Gilbert, these individual choices add up, creating a collective impact that supports a greener, more sustainable future for everyone.